215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. A warm and moist summer that
It's on WXL 42.
The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for central Allegheny County in northwestern North Carolina, north central Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, east central Ashe County in northwestern North Carolina until 5:45 p.m. At 2:44 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Sparta, Jefferson, Laurel Springs, Glendale Springs, and Stone Mountain State Park. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of flooding, including mudslides or flooded roads, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Allegheny, and Wilkes.
Well, that was unexpected. Flash flood warning for Allegheny, Ashe, and Wilkes. Now we got an SVR!
Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Allegheny County in northwestern North Carolina, western Surrey County in
You're kidding me.
North Carolina, northeastern Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, southeastern Ashe County in northwestern North Carolina until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
My battery is dying, guys.
9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Wagoner, moving east at 20 miles per hour.
Okay.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sparta, Jefferson, Laurel Springs, Trap Hill, and Glendale Springs. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. Rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding.
Well, you already have a flash flood warning in effect for the area.
When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Wilkes, North Carolina. The National
Okay, then.
Daylight Time. 11:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southeast of Carrasco, or 11 miles east of Newport, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newport, Carrasco, Caney Branch, Round Mountain, Del Rio, and Cedar Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.